Welcome to Ethical Engineering YouTube channel. This is an introduction video for the upcoming lecture series video about fundamentals of fatigue analysis. In this video, I'm going to briefly explain about that lecture series videos, the content. First, we have to know the importance of fatigue analysis. We know the definition of the fatigue. The fatigue is the process which causes the premature failure or the damage of the component subject to the repeated loading. Which means, like for example, I'm taking that gear structure. The gear structure is the mechanical component which was subjected to the repeated loading, that is cyclic loading. Due to the cyclic loading, the structure will get damaged or failure after some long period. Okay, this is called fatigue failure. The fatigue failure process, it has two phases. The two phases of fatigue process is nothing but the initiation life. The second one is the propagation life. So what is meant by initiation life and propagation life? For example, if you take some component and it is subject to the cyclic loading, what will happen means after some time the structure will start um, producing some cracks in the structure. That is called as crack initiation. Okay, the up to the crack initiation, that life we called as the initiation life. So after the crack is formed, what will happen? The crack will start growing. That is, that length of that crack will start growth. So that process we called as that life process. That is, after the crack initiation, the crack growth life we called as the propagation life. How much cycles it will takes to grow the crack. So that is called the propagation life. If you add together the initiation life as well as the propagation life, total we call it as that the fatigue life, total fatigue life of the structure. So in this lecture videos, we are going to learn how the structure get failure. Okay, so in this video lecture series, I'm going to cover the three main parts. That is the stress life approach, strain life approach, and fracture mechanics approaches. The main intent of this lecture series is to cover the analytical methods to quantify the fatigue damages, and I hope this video will provide the information to become the proficient at these analytical methods to design against the fatigue damages. And there are three methods to calculate the fatigue analysis, that is the stress life approach and strain life approach and fracture mechanics approaches. Even if you study any one of that method, you can able to perform the fatigue analysis. However, it is good to understand all the three methods so that you can able to choose the methods uh, are most appropriate for the given problems. Each and every method has their own applications with some degrees of overlap between them. So for example, if you take the stress life approach, the stress life approach is the first fatigue analysis method was developed, and it is used for the long life applications only. That means if the structure is has the stress within the elastic limit, on the time only you can able to use the stress life approaches. If the structure is beyond the elastic limit, that means it will becomes to the plastic formations, you have to use the strain life approaches to calculate the crack initiation life. And third, the fracture mechanics approach, it is used to calculate the how the crack will start growing, that growing process of the time, which was calculated by fracture mechanics approaches. The combined together, that strain life approach and fracture mechanics approach, you can able to calculate the total life of the component. So for the upcoming videos, we are going to learn the each and every methods in detail. So this is a vast subjects. Even in the stress life approach and strain life approach and fracture mechanics approach, there are a lot more in depth will be there. So I'll take as the chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. In chapter 1, we, we talk about stress life approaches in detail. And in chapter 2, we'll talk about the strain life approaches. And in chapter 3, we going to learn or we're going to discuss about the fracture mechanics approaches and methods, how to calculate. With the practical example, we're going to solve the each and every method, and I'm going to calculate the fatigue life of the structure using the three methods. And finally, I'm going to tell you uh, for what type of problem you have to use or you have to choose what type of methods. So it is very important to learn that. So this is what we're going to learn throughout this lecture series. So if you interested, please comment below, and if you find any useful information in this video, please like this video and share this video to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.